A 70-point gap up followed by a 500-point crash. If you got trapped in the morning, you missed the one signal that changed everything. Today wasn't just about the fall, it was a masterclass in patience. While the market started with red candles, the actual trend confirmation on the 20 EMA didn't came until 12:15 p.m. For those following the setup, this opened a massive 69-point opportunity potential in put options. In this video, I will show you exactly how to spot these high reward setups so you can protect your capital on sideways days and strike when the market trends. Let's dive into the Nifty charts. Before looking at the option charts, I would like to tell you when we got a trend change confirmation at 12:15 p.m. I will just hide these candles first. Now see here what happened. Yesterday, if you see the day before yesterday, that is on 17th Feb, 20 MA made a high of this right here on 17th Feb. Then on 19th Feb, again it broke this particular high. So when this high was broken, our next low is this one, right? So till the time this low will not broke, we will not go for the put trades because this will give us a trend change confirmation. So if you see, we got that trend change confirmation in this 12.1010 p.m. candle, 12:10 candle. That is at 12:15 p.m. we got a trend change confirmation. And after that, I was confident that I can take a bearish trades. In stocks, before this 12:15 p.m., I took one bullish trade before this particular thing because I was not sure about the trend change. Now let's move to the option charts. One second, I will just show the candles. Yes, see here, this is the put option chart, correct? So here if you see, during this particular time, 12 at 12:15 we got a confirmation, right, that trend has been changed, correct? So after that, I was looking for the opportunity in put options. So here if you see, here a perfect three candle setup was formed: first candle, second candle, third candle. So you would have to green candle has highest volume, 20-50 ms are trending up. So at high you would have took a trade, and at low there will be a stop loss, right? So at high, this high was 164.7, I guess, right? So your trade would have got executed at 166, your stop loss would have been around 142, suppose. So 166 is your entry price. See what happened. This particular candle closed below 20 EMA, correct? So you must have trailed your SL to this particular candle's low. So its low is 158.15. So your trailed SL now will be 157. So 166 was entry and 157 was the stop loss. So you would have lost 9 points in this particular trade. Fine. That is fine. It is perfectly fine. You have followed your setup. Now, if you see, again a next opportunity found. First candle, second candle, third candle. Perfect three candle setup. Second candle broke low of the first candle, closed above low. Third candle respected low of the second candle. Green candle has highest volume, 20-50 ms are trending up. So at high, you would have took a trade and low would be the stop loss, right? So see what happened. Here your trade would have got executed, and in this particular trade, you would have got around 2 hour profit and almost 78-point profit you would have got, right? So here you would have booked 78-point profit, and in this trade you would have lost 9 points. So overall there was an opportunity of 69 points profit in put options. Let's move to the call charts now. In case of call chart, if you see from start itself, 20 ms started in downtrend, right? So if you see, there was no call option buying opportunity, as our primary filter says 20 MA must be above 50 MA to take a buy trade, but here 20 MA was below 50 MA, so there was no option buying trade here, right? Now that 69-point move in puts was a clear educational example of why we wait for confirmation. But how did this massive shift affect my actual equity trades. Initially, I took a bullish trade in the first half, but as the market flipped, I used that same 12:15 p.m. confirmation to take bearish trades. Let's move over to my actual stock charts to see how I managed these positions to close in a small profit despite the volatility. See here. After 12:15 confirmation, here I got a one setup, right? First candle, second candle, third candle, three candle theory setup form. Red candle has highest volume. 20 and 50 MAs were trending down. So I took a trade at low of this candle. At high, I kept a stop loss. And this trade I closed at in a profit at the end of the day. This was the trade taken initially when I don't have a bearish confirmation. So here I took a buy trade. See here. Inside candle setup form. 20-50 MAs trending up. Master mother candle, green candle has highest volume. At high, I took a trade. Low was my stop loss. But this candle closed below 20 MA. See here. So I shifted my stop loss to, its low is around 707.85. I shifted my stop loss to 707, which got hit in this particular candle. No worries. I booked a small loss in this trade. Again, next trade was in SOBA based on the trend change confirmation. See here, perfect three candle setup form. Red candle has highest volume. 20-50 MA is trending down. Initially, stock started moving in my favor, but this particular candle closed above 20 MA. So I shifted my trailing SL to high of this particular candle, and I booked this small loss. This was a trade in Indigo. First candle, second candle, 20-50 MAs were trending down. So if you see, trade got executed in this particular candle at low of this low of this particular setup, and I got a 2 hour profit in this particular trade. So this trade I got a 2 hour profit. So overall I managed to close the day in small profit. To summarize today, we see a 70-point trap, a 500-point slide, and a crystal clear reversal at 12:15 p.m. The lesson is simple. The market rewards patience, not predictions. By staying disciplined during the sideways hours, you ensure you have the capital ready for these big moves days. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Comment below, did the morning gap up trap you, or did you wait for the 12:15 confirmation? Special announcement here. This Saturday evening, I am dropping part 2 of the swing trading series, where we will dive deep into position sizing and risk management with historic examples. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to catch up before Saturday's launch to stay ahead. See you in the next one. Thank you.